When you're between positions, it's an opportunity. A lot of people don't embrace that time in that way because they feel frantic that they have to go right into the next position. But it's a time to step back and maybe do a little assessment. How am I feeling in my current career? Is it working for me? Do I want to do something different? Do I want to get into a new industry maybe, a new job? Just first check and make sure that you're not just jumping to the next thing, that it's an opportunity to really reevaluate. The other thing, maybe you want to take some training. You want to expand your skill set. That's also a time that you can do that. You might need a vacation. Maybe you haven't had one for a while. And you really want to be working your network. You know, that's important as well. You want to reconnect with people, especially if you're not going to work every day. You may have lost your social life. So you reconnect, have coffee dates with people, get together, find out where there's some new opportunities. And you might need to brush up on your interviewing skills. If it's been a while, you want to do that. And absolutely prepare an elevator pitch. That's being able to describe who you are, what your strengths are, what you're looking for going forward to everybody that you meet in about 30 seconds or less. That's really important. But embrace it as an opportunity. Don't stay home and feel bad and be moping around and waiting for the phone to ring. Use this as an opportunity proactively to create the next opportunity for yourself that's going to be fulfilling and joyful and something that is going to really be fun to do every day.